Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to discuss scheduling job command in further in cron job. This is very important. So how you can use this cron tab command? This is very important. First you will have to know friends, this job schedule to run repeatedly are called a recurring job. So cron job friends basically very useful command. Why very useful command? To a repetitive task if you want execute, suppose that you are using this cron daemon. So with the help of, first you will have to check the daemon is installed or not. So first you will check this, and if not installed, so you will install the cron daemon. Definitely I will show you. So this cron d is controlled by the multiples configuration file, multiples, one per user you can manage, right? System wide files you can manage, and also you can edit the cron job command. I will show how you can. So here the configuration file of the given administrator and user, for suppose that you have a configuration file, so easily you can use this cron job. So in cron job friends, you have a syntax when you will go inside the terminal and you can use this range. Suppose that you have a syntax number one, number two, number three, number four, and number five. So here you will have to know the range are specified. Suppose that I'm going to using 10 and dash. So dash here denoted the range of a specific dash, and maybe combined with 9-12. So I will show you. So here the character can be used to introduce here 2536, and I will use asterisk. It means the field specify the entire range of the field. I will show you, but you will have to know in this cron job. First of all, first you will have to know cron tab -u. So when you will use this command crontab -u for the user to view or modify any particular user, right? Similarly, when you are using this crontab -l, so friends here list all the scheduled job for current user. Similarly, you are using here crontab -r. R means to remove all the job from the current user. Similarly, when you are using some commands here, cron tab -e, it means you can edit existing job, or you assign any cron tab command, so you can use here, right? So how you can use this cron tab command? So you will have to use first cron tab, and you know the file name of the file what you want to execute here. So let's see practical. So definitely you can understand Crontab. Now, so I am going to open my console terminal here. So now friends, how you can check this Crontab command. First, you will have to check the package installed or not. Use here RPM command -qa query for all. Now you can grab this Crontabs. If the package is installed, so it will show definitely the package is installed, no need to install again. If suppose the package is not installed, so use this yum command and install the package, and name of the package is Crontab. So hit enter, it will install, right? But I have already installed. Just I am showing you how you can install the Crontab package. So let's finish this. So friends, already done. Suppose you are going to install first time this cron tab command. So after install, what you will do, you will have to execute some commands. You will have to start the daemon, and you will have to enable the daemon after install, right? So already I have, just after install you will have to execute this command systemctl, and start cronting. Then after again you will have to use systemctl. This is a temporary start. You will have to use enable and crondy. It is permanently installed, right? So friends, how we can find cron tab syntax? This is very important. So use this command cat slash etc and here use this cron tab. So you will have to find out this syntax. Obviously, first you will have to know the minute. First you will write the minute. Second you will write the hour. Third you will write for the day of the month. And third you will write here month, Jan, Feb, March or whatever. And this is the last one. This is the day of the week. So you will have to follow this syntax. And one more important thing I want to share with you. You know how to apply cron job. So definitely interviewer ask the question. What they will ask? They will ask, suppose that every 3 days I want to execute and till 12:30 I want to execute this cron job. So you will have to know this syntax, right? So first option is for the minutes or day of the month, and this is the month and this is the day of the week, right? So you will have to follow this syntax. So let's go on the terminal. So I'm going to execute some commands so easily you can understand definitely, right? So I'm going to get this syntax. Now friends, if you are going to schedule some task, okay, cron job. So use here cron tab, use this cron tab hyphen e, right? So you enter in this editor. This is a kind of editor. So in this editor you will go and edit something what you want to execute your task. So same, I'm going to repeat. I'm going to open control F2. I'm going to open another terminal so that you can understand, right? That's very important. So again you can use this cat slash etc and cron tab. So follow this syntax and execute some your task, right? So here I'm going to follow the syntax. First, minutes, right? So right now the time is 17:25. So I'm going to execute here for the 30. So go in the insert mode and 30, it means 30 minutes. When you will have to use this syntax, and hour it means 17:30. Then use day of the month. What is the day of the month? So you will have to know first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So today's is 17. And here you will have to know month, which month is right now. So you can count 1, Jan, Feb, March and April. April. So you can write April or you can write here 4, no problem, right? And friends, day of the week. What is the day of the week? So today is Sunday. So easily you can count here day of the week 0, 0 for the Sunday, right? So today is Sunday. So I follow this syntax. It means today Sunday, 4th of uh, April month. This is 17th day and this is 17th. It means 17 this time. 17:30 the command will be execute and what you want to write here. Suppose that I am going to write here echo, use this syntax and I'm going to write welcome to USA today. It's my first job. Okay, so you want create a file or use this, go in insert mode. Okay, now use here and sunil.txt. Okay, So here the file will create new and this command will be executed. Now you can skip colon wqi save. So my cron job is set. How you can check your cron job is done or not? So already discussed with you. You can use this cron tab hyphen l. So use this command or you can list here cron tab hyphen l for list. So you can see here your task is executed. Echo, it's my first cron job. Sunil.txt, it will done. Okay, so you can see in this terminal. So here is not create after completed this time the cron job will be executed. Okay, the cron job will be executed. So you can check the time here right now. Oh shit, there is different time, right? No problem. We have to set the time first, right? So this is the wrong syntax, so I use this syntax. So again check here, the time is April Sunday, okay, 17. Now you will have to use date hyphen hyphen set. So easily I want set the time here. 2022 hyphen 04 and 70. Use the time here 17 and 30, right? This is the time set. Check now, the time is set properly. So now you can go inside the again cron e, you can remove, no problem. So use this dd command, so it's remove and skip shift colon WI. So again I'm going to execute the command here. So use this crontab hyphen e. So right now the time is 30. So I am going to execute the task for the 33. So first go in insert mode 33 and 1733 it will execute the task. And what is the day of the month? So here you will have to know 17th, and month here April, you can write 4, no problem, and day of the week 0 for this Sunday. So I'm going to create here file cat sunil.txt. Okay, save. No, go again inside. Now syntax should be clear, right? So I'm going to write here 35 17 and day of the month 17 and here 4th of April. Now what is the day of the week? Sunday. Use. Now I'm going to use here echo and use this is my first cron job. Use. Now use double greater and sunil.txt. Now skip shift colon WKI. My cron job is set. How you can check? Use this cron tab hyphen L for the list. So friends, you can see my cron job is set. So this file will be executed. You can see the sunil.txt right now not created. So after completed my task, after 1735, right now that you can check the date, 1732, after completed 3 minutes, this job will be executed. This cron job will be executed. Easily you can see here. Right, if you want edit, so you can go inside again or you can edit, but after executed you can see the live. Okay, this is very important. So 33 after 2 minutes it will be execute, no problem. So if you want monitor this, so you can use here watch command. Okay, you know the watch command, so use here watch, and you can use this cat and nail.txt, right? So here you can see after completed your job will be executed. So here it is going to work time. You can monitor, you can see here. So we can wait 1 minute, no problem. So easily you can follow this syntax friend, and you can execute every minute you want. So you can use here every hour you want. You can use here this syntax. This syntax you will have to follow. If you are working in production environment, definitely you are going to execute job, cron job. This is very important. Every week you want to create a particular file. So definitely you can execute this cron job. It's very, very most important. Similarly, if you want every 2 minutes or every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes, so you can execute this. How you can do this? I will show you. Right after, just wait 30 seconds more, so you can see my job will be executed. Here you can see no problem. Right now there is no sunil.txt file. When completed my time 17:35, so cron job will be executed. Just 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Now you can use here ls, right? So see here friends, my sunil.txt file. Easily you can use cat this sunil.txt. So there is no data available, because just simple I created this sunil.txt. I think cat sunil.txt. Go inside, you can check again what you executed. This is my okay echo. This is my first cron job. This syntax is very, very wrong syntax, so maybe this is not updated, right? No problem, you can use more and more syntax. Suppose that you want to execute every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes you want to execute the command, or every three minutes you want to execute the command. So how you can do this? Let's see the example here. So I'm going to write here again crontab hyphen e for edit, and you can remove this, no problem. Done. Go in insert mode. Now friends, every 2 minutes you want to execute, so use here star slash 2 every 2 minutes. And friends, here you will have to use star, you know, the asterisk mark. Why we are using this asterisk? So friends, this asterisk is the field is specify the entire range of the field, right? Entire range of the field. It means 0 to 59 for the minutes. Suppose that I'm going to write here 2 slash 2 stars st slash 2 or st slash 5 signify the starting at 0, then every 5 minutes, every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes, right? So now again go and write something here echo, and use here welcome to USA. Now use here double greater than, and here new file will be created. Save, shift colon WQI. My cron job is done. How you can check? Again use this cron tab hyphen L. So you can see your cron job is set. Okay. So every 2 minutes, your job will be executed. Or if you want to remove, so you can remove, no problem, right? So similarly, you have a multiples option, you can do this. But friends, if you are going to execute, suppose that you go inside and go insert mode, and I'm going to execute another commands here. Suppose that I'm using here star, sorry, s6. Okay, so what is the meaning of this, right? Suppose that I'm going to write here echo and hello my friends. So it means, and already I have sunil.txt. So now you can save this and shift colon wqi. So you can use check again list of the job here. Two command will be execute. It means friends here star every minute, every second, in the sense minutes, every hour, every day, every month, and day of the week. Your command will be execute. This task will be executed. Right? This task will be executed. So make sure how you can check this. So if you want check this, so you can go in this terminal and use here. I am going to show you. Use here tail command and use -f and go in where directory and log cron. So you can see your job will be executed is every minute. Okay, just wait, see here the live example, right? So this means every 2 minutes and star every minute with the command will be executed. Sunil.txt, rajak.txt. So just wait and you can see the live practical. So after completed 1 minute, again the command will the job will execute this sunil.txt, right? Make sure. Hello my friends, welcome to USA. Wait 30-second mode, so again the command will execute. See here, right? So completed 1 minute, after 1 minute, so second command will be executed. So this is the way you can execute this cron job, right? So friends, if you want to remove this your cron job, if you want delete, so how you can delete? So already we have discussed. If you want to remove, so use here cron. Now I'm going to write here cron tab and use -r for remove. And friends, suppose that you can check again crontab -n. So there is no cron job, right? So remove all the cron job. And also you can see here removed. Okay. So deleted list. So everything you can see here. So friends, now come to the point, and I am going to create a user, and suppose the user had, and the name of the user is Sunil. Already exists. No problem. I am going to create user Vivek. So user Vivek is created. Now friends, I want to make cron tab this job by the users. So how you can do this? So now I'm going to assign the pass wd Vivek. I'm going to assign the password for the Vivek, right? Right here. Sorry. The password is set for the Vivek. So now here I'm going to assign the cron job for this Vivek. So use here again cron tab. Now I am going to send for the user hyphen u for user and use here Vivek and hyphen e for edit. So now you will have to go inside and see the syntax. So go in insert mode and using here star. You know why I'm using this star. It means every minute, every hours, the command will be executed. So here I'm going to create something else in touch. Go in temp directory. Inside the temp directory abc.txt. Now I'm going to save shift colon wqi. Done. So how you can check crontab hyphen l. So here it will not see. Why? Because this job done by Vivek user. So you will have to use another command here. You can see the Vivek is edited here. So you will have to use the command here cron tab, not for the root user, cron tab hyphen u for the user and username is Vivek hyphen l list. This job is done. So every minutes the command will be executed. So you can see the live example, right? So how you can check this is going to create or not? So already we inside, so you can see touch created one job stamp abc.txt. So easily you can go cd slash stamp and use ls abc.txt abc.txt, right? So this is the way, friends. This is the way. And let's see one more example. Easily you can see, suppose that this is if you want to check your logs file, easily you can monitor, right? This is important. Now if you want to delete this job, so how you can remove, again you will have to use this cron tab hyphen u for user, or first you will have to write here r for remove hyphen I and use hyphen u for user and your username Vivek. So this job will be removed. So cron tab really delete, want this job? Yes, I want to really delete. Now you can see deleted live example. So this cron job deleted, right? So how you can check here cron tab hyphen u for user, username is Vivek and hyphen l. So there is no cron job, right? There is no cron job. So this is very very important. You can execute this cron job if you are working professional, if you are working in production environment, definitely you will have to use this syntax. Okay, so again I'm going to show you. But friends, you are working on production environment, so you will have to write this script. So via script you can execute this command, right? How you can use this? Now let's see. So I'm going to create a file vim, suppose that daily dot sh. Okay, so I'm going to write this script here. Suppose that go in insert mode, I'm going to write here, sorry, go in insert mode. Now use this star and hyphen cvzf czvf, already we have discussed in the tar. So I'm going to create here red hat dot tar, right? And where you want this etc. So skip shift colon wqi. So my job is done. Now you will have to check this cron tab hyphen e. So friends, now you can see you created daily.sh. So here you can assign this. So I am going to use again star and again star. So it's a simple, so you can understand. Now use this sh command, and for the root user, and use daily.sh. We have executed. We write this script, right? Save, shift colon wqi. Now done, my cron job is edited. You can see in the log. So how you can check? Use ls command, daily.sh. This is my file. And friends, when you reboot, you are going to set accordingly, so you can do this job. Okay, so this is done. So every minute it will be done. So easily you can go, or you can execute, or you can use this sleep 60. So this task will be done. But actually, friends, you are working in production environment, right? So you can check here crontab hyphen L. So this is your job is going to execute, right? This job is going to execute here. Now let's see. So friends, how you can remove this? So easily you can remove your, no problem. But friends, sometimes you will have to write this script. Okay, so via script you can assign the this cron job, and this cron job is very important. So here how you can remove this? So use this cron tab hyphen r remove. So you can use this cron tab. This is very important, right? If you are Linux administrations, definitely will have to use this. So friends, I'm going to thanks in this video, and hope you understand how to use this cron tab command or AT command, right? So multiple tasks you want to execute, use this cron tab command, and definitely interviewer will ask the question how you can use this. But friends, you are working in production environment in a company, so definitely they go inside in configuration file, right? Where in cd slash etc, and go in cron dot early. So in this location, friends, you can write your script whatever you want, right? Suppose that you want write a script here. Suppose I'm going to write here vim and sunil dot ext, right? Enter and go in insert mode. Again here I'm going to use here tar hyphen cvzf, and here I'm going to write here linux dot tar. Sorry, already we have created red hat dot tar, and where you want slash etc. And similarly I'm going to create some file here touch abc dot txt, and again touch. I'm going to create triple s dot txt. Done. Now you can save, shift colon wqi, execute. Done my job. So friends, you will have to assign the permission ch mode for this. Already we have discussed this ch mode, and use here plus x for the execute in this sunil.txt. Now you can use this long list. So your script is ready, sunil.txt. So if you are working production environment, definitely will have to use this. Okay, you can use this cat and use this sunil.txt. Okay, so this will be executed here. Now you can check here crontab hyphen l, or you can use this ls. Okay, so you will have to you. So friends, but if you want to change the date and time, no problem, directly you can change from the here this console. Okay, it's not important go inside this cd etc cron job early. No need to this, you can change this path from this console section, right? but I'm not doing this. It's very important. So how you can remove this? So remove this job here, rm-rm and skill dot removed. Okay, so this is very important. You can do this job. So in this video I'm going to thanks friends. See you in the next video with new topic. Bye bye, take care, all the best.